Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul was sitting with other traders one morning. Everyone was talking about the PCR. Put-call ratio is 1.3. The market is going to crash. Everyone is buying puts. Protection everywhere. Rahul also bought puts. The next day, Nifty went up 200 points. Rahul was speechless, but the other traders just smiled. Arjun, they said, when everyone is bearish, the market tends to do the opposite. Rahul had just learned about the most counterintuitive indicator in options trading. Rahul discovers put-call ratio. What is the put-call ratio? The formula is simple. PCR equals total put open interest divided by total call open interest. If traders have bought 1 lakh put contracts and 50,000 call contracts, the PCR is 2. A high PCR means more puts than calls. People are buying protection, expecting the market to fall. A low PCR means more calls than puts. People are bullish, expecting the market to rise. Simple to calculate, but the interpretation is the opposite of what you expect. That is where most beginners go wrong. The paradox. This is the part that confuses everyone. High PCR means everyone is bearish, so the market should fall, right? Wrong. When everyone is bearish and has already bought puts, who is left to sell? If every trader has already placed their bearish bet, there is nobody left to push the market lower. The market is already pricing in the fear. And since market makers sold all those puts, they're now hedged long. Any small positive news creates a short squeeze. The market explodes upward. This is called a contrarian signal. PCR above 1.3 means extreme fear. And extreme fear is historically a buying opportunity. PCR range is explained. PCR above 1.3 is extreme fear. Too many put buyers. Market is oversold. Contrarian signal to buy. The crowd is wrong. PCR between 1.0 and 1.3 is cautious. More puts than calls, but not extreme. Market is defensive. Neutral signal. PCR between 0.7 and 1.0 is balanced. Normal market conditions. No strong signal either way. Do not trade PCR alone here. PCR below 0.7 is extreme greed. Too many call buyers. Market is overbought. Contrarian signal to be cautious. The crowd is too bullish. A correction is likely. Remember, PCR is a contrarian indicator. The crowd is usually wrong at extremes. Historical examples from Nifty. In March 2020 during the COVID crash, Nifty put-call ratio hit 2.1. Extreme fear. Everyone was buying puts. What happened next? Nifty bottomed and rallied 45% in the next 3 months. In November 2021 at the Nifty top near 18,600, PCR dropped to 0.65. Extreme greed. Everyone was buying calls. What happened? Nifty corrected 15% over the next 3 months. PCR does not predict the exact top or bottom, but it tells you when the crowd is at an extreme. And the crowd is almost always wrong at extremes. How to use PCR with price action. Rule 1. PCR above 1.3 plus price at strong support level equals high probability long trade. Both technical and sentiment aligned. Rule 2. PCR below 0.7 plus price at strong resistance level equals high probability short or exit longs. Rule 3. PCR moving from extreme toward normal, meaning it is falling from 1.5 back toward 1.0, confirms a market recovery is underway. Rule 4. Never use PCR alone. Use it as a filter. If PCR says buy, but price is still in a clear downtrend with lower highs, wait. Let price confirm. PCR tells you sentiment. Price tells you momentum. Use both. The common mistake. Rahul made this mistake twice. PCR was 1.4. He bought calls. Market fell another 5% before reversing. Why? PCR above 1.3 is a zone, not a precise reversal signal. The market can stay in extreme fear for days or weeks before reversing. High PCR tells you the sentiment is stretched. It does not tell you when the reversal starts. Always wait for a price-based trigger, a reversal candle, a breakout of a short-term trend line. Volume pickup. PCR sets the context. Price gives you the timing. Where to find PCR data for Nifty. NSE India publishes daily option chain data on their website. You can calculate PCR yourself by dividing total put OI by total call OI for Nifty. NSEindia.com Go to derivatives, then Nifty option chain, and some the put OI column and the call OI column. Many broker apps also display PCR directly. Sensible.com shows PCR history for Nifty and Bank Nifty going back months. Look at PCR every Thursday when weekly options expire. Thursday PCR data is the most meaningful because it captures positioning for the next expiry. When everyone is scared, be greedy. When everyone is greedy, be careful. PCR shows you the crowd, and the crowd is wrong at extremes. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.